It's time for you to remember who you are. And if you can't remember who you are, it's time for you to create who you are. You let this world set limitations on your life when you were created with no limits. You got to remind yourself who you were when your creativity had no prisons. Before opinions convinced you.
Your life is your story. No one else gets to write it. No one else gets to define it. Every choice you make, every risk you take, every dream you chase, it's yours. People will doubt you, judge you, misunderstand you, but it doesn't matter. This is your journey, your fight, your legacy. Own it.